Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week we came in and we painted the entire interior over again, and that came out pretty nice. We had to do a little bit touch up off camera, got that done, and everything is ready. So now we just have the interior, the doors to finish primering out and getting that set for color. So the interior will be again the the sunlit sand. I was thinking about my Z. Such a beautiful day out there. Just kind of want to get out and drive them, but they're at the other location. So what we're going to do today though is we're going to move the doors out and we're going to finish them primed. Then we're going to start priming other items. We have the fender to redo. We have the inner fenders left to do on the rear. So we have a lot of things left to get primered out and get this thing ready for its final stages of paint. I really want to have this thing primed out by the end of next week. I would love to have everything primed and ready for paint this week, but we have a lot of work to do. So let's hop right in, get the doors, and get them outside, and we're going to start laying some of that prime. So we have all of the doors and one coat on the fender. So the door is done, ready to be painted. Now that needs 2 to 3 days to dry. So next week we'll be able to put some color on it. Same with everything that's out here. But what we're gonna do now is we are gonna hit the fender, outer fenders, the inner fenders of the bed. The outer fenders are pretty much good except for the one coat that I have to do here. We have inner doors, we have the cross sills, and everything left to do. We have the gun primed up. We are ready to go. So let's go ahead and start laying that primer. All right, so we have the inner fenders and everything primed out. We do have to flip over the inner fenders on the rear and prime the inside, but everything else is completed. The outer fenders are complete. Inside, we are going to coat them with that same primer or the same thing we did on the bottom. Also on the bottom of the truck, on a lot of the stuff, I do think I'm going to do that as well, just to keep it uniform underneath. So we have a lot of work left to do on the truck. We are running again, still short on days, 214 as I sit here today. Well, about that, 2 C10 Nationals. So we have a lot of work to do. I want to get the truck painted very, very soon and get them cleared, painted, cleared, and get the windows set. That'll be a huge accomplishment. Then we can start working forward, doing all the electrical on the engine, build the bed, and do the electrical on the back, and get lights and everything on the truck, then work on the electrical on the interior. But that'll be coming up soon. But we have run out of time today. We will see you guys next week. We'll continue working on the C10, finishing priming, continue painting, and getting this truck put back together. And we'll see you next Saturday.